हेलो गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स हाउ आर यू बेटा कैसे हो नाउ लेट वी स्टडी द न्यू वन एक्सपेरिमेंट एंड टुडे इट एक्सपेरिमेंट इज ऑफ Zener diode. The aim is to draw the IV characteristics of the Zener diode and find its breakdown voltage. Zener diode is a reverse bias, but it is symbolized by the Z. Here this is a Zener diode. Instead of this line you have to draw a Z type symbol. Okay, it is a special made for the Zener. So here you will that is connect the battery positive to the P type material, and N type material, and here negative to this current meter and voltmeter. Now in reverse bias, let me increase the voltage. What happens in the flowing of the current through the diode? Let me study in Zener diode. Here it is a circuit diagram board. So named is curve for Zener diode as a reverse bias. This diode is a Zener diode. See this diode. The symbol is like a Z type. Here the current flowing through this circuit, okay, and battery positive to this positive terminal of this current meter. Connect the current meter here, connect the voltmeter here, positive to the positive terminal, negative to the negative terminal. Here it is voltmeter. Connect the current meter here, positive to the positive and negative to the negative. Here it is current meter. After this you will switch on the battery from here, and let me observe. Now current meter is 0, voltmeter is also 0. Now increase the voltage by this rheostat. Rheostat से increase करोगे current will change, voltage will change. Now the first voltage V is equal to 0. Still the current is 0. Now as you change the voltage from the 1 volt to 2 volt, still the current is 0. That means current is not flowing in reverse bias. Now change the voltage 2 to 3 voltage. At that time the current is 0. Now similar 4 voltage, current is 0. Now for the 5 voltage the current is 0. Now for the 6 voltage the current is 0. Now when the voltage is 7 voltage, still the current is slightly increased. So now let me take the 7.5. Still the 7 voltage the current is 0. Now let you arrange here the 7, because this is a 7 and 8 के बीच में, that is 7.5. The current is 5 mA. Now when you arrange in a 8 voltage, the current is 20. Now when you arrange it is 8.5 voltage, 8.5 voltage, the current value is 50. So when you increase the voltage initially, the current remains 0. After some voltage, current is flowing through the diode. Why? Because all the covalent bond system in the Zener diode will break down and current will flow through the diodes. This voltage is called the Zener breakdown voltage. Let me note down this reading in observation table, and let me draw the curve I versus V. Now let me note down this reading in observation table. When the 0 voltage, the current was 0. For 1 voltage it was 0. 2 voltage it was 0, 3 it was 0, 4 it is 0, 4 5 again it was 0, for 6 it was 0, For 7 it was 0. Now but when slightly voltage increased from 7 to 7.5, the current was 5 mA, and for the 8 it was 20, and for the 8.5 the current reading, meter reading, was the 50 mA. Now let me plot this point in observation table. So here the Zener diode is a reverse bias, so current and voltage will be in reverse direction, that is in negative direction. The values are not negative, that's why we will plot the graph in a third quadrant. So this is the origin, okay, first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. Let me plot the voltage here and current here. It is IZ MA. Now decide the scale and plot the point. For 0 up to the 7 it is 0, so it is 0, again 0, again 0, 0, 0, 0 and 0. But when it was the 7.5, the current was 7.5 and it is a 5, so this is your corresponding point. For 8 milliamperes reading was 20, so this is the 8 and 20. Let me plot the point here. And for the 8.5, it is the 8.5 and it is 50. This is the corresponding point. Join the points and draw a curve. So you will get a line like this, and it is equal to, after some voltage, the current fall down like this. So this is a breakdown voltage. So जहाँ से ग्राफ बिल्कुल नीचे गिर जाता है, that means this point, as you extend this line, this is a, so this is a 8.5, so you can see it is a breakdown voltage. And here it is 7.5. So we can say the breakdown voltage is 7.5 voltage. So in a result you can write in a breakdown voltage of the Zener diode is 7.5. So we can use this diode as a reverse, that is a valve, up to the 7 voltage. Then after current will flow to the diodes. So sometimes that's why diode is known as a valve. It's allowed to flow the current in unidirection. So please just note down all this reading in your journal and notebook, and also plot the graph this against this, and note down all this reading and write the result and complete this experiment. Okay beta, now bye, have a nice day, thank you very much.